In a constantly changing world, enterprises are struggling to transform on various fronts, managing their costs, running operations optimally, improving their customer satisfaction, automation, and many more. All of these problems boil down to a single root cause, hiding in plain sight. There is a huge gap between what organizations think their business processes are and how the work is actually done. To try and bridge this gap, enterprises have relied on insufficient mechanisms, such as manual interviews and back-end integrations, hindering a true understanding of their business processes and opportunities to improve. Skan changes this through the power of AI and computer vision to truly understand the nuances of how organizations get work done. We unlock your business's potential to be greater by providing a triangulation of actionable insights across your organization's people, processes, and technologies, giving you the end-to-end visibility to achieve operational excellence and efficiency. Our AI-driven technology continuously observes the real work performed, and our privacy-first architecture means your data always stays safe and secure. Get actionable intelligence with Skan's process improvement recommendations and the ability to model, test, and perform what-if analysis in Skan's dashboard, giving you true operational intelligence to confidently build your roadmap for transformational success, because the future of work relies on continuously understanding how your work is actually done, so your business can be greater. Request a demo today at Skan AI.